Hello, welcome to the tutorial on how to set up the Hannam Development Panel. In this tutorial we'll go over how to install it, past a little section where it asks you to authorize and trust, and also how to create an account / login. This is the second time I've had to do this because I had my mic on mute for the first attempt, which was really annoying. But anyways, what we're going to do is, if you're installing from the Discord, it won't look like this. This is just this is a test server. It will be in the main announcement section on here. But if you're downloading, just simply hit the download symbol, click on save file. If you're downloading from our website, which is here, you can either scroll down to the bottom and click download, or up here there's a little customer app. But if you click download or the customer app, it doesn't matter. It literally just brings you to the customer app page. Next, it's going to bring you to this little section. You can click download the latest version here. There will be an image here shortly. It's just been updated. So if you just click here again, it's going to bring you up to Google Drive, and you just install it as you just did here. So what you're going to do is you can either drag this to your desktop or just open it. I'm going to drag it to my desktop. Once you've got it open, just double click it. And it's going to say Windows protected your PC. You may also get a little notification here at the side saying that they scanned your PC to check that there's no viruses, which there won't be any. Next, you're going to select member, create an account. I'm going to create my account. This is a test. I'm going to enter a private password. I'm going to click create account. Once you created an account, it will automatically log you in. So you can select this little drop down menu, see the previews, and these are all the products we have to offer at Hannam Development. And eventually we will add more stuff onto this in future updates. I have the nice little terms of service and copyright here. Little button that directs you to the website. Same with the Discord server, which is quite nice. If you just log out and close out, sorry. We don't have a main menu button, which I've just realised I messed up real bad on there. I will make sure I do that in the next update. So now if you select member again, log in, you can log in with those credentials you just set up. I think I did that wrong. Well, I'm pretty sure I have entered that wrong, but you can log in. Yeah, you can log in with your normal login here, the same one that you just made to the same one you made just then to create the account. Thank you for watching. I hope this managed to help you. If you are looking to log into the staff panel, there'll be a separate video in the staff chat on the Discord server for you.